planting between raindrops. The very best time to plant is in the rain if you can handle it. Well, we're between rainstorms, so we're going to plant. Did you guess what I'm going to plant today? Well, round 2 of turnips, some cushaw melons, and then we're going to do some peppers that need to go in the ground. And we're going to rank them from hottest to very hottest. So let's get our hot peppers in the ground and a few seeds. Come on, let's plant. Over here on the west side where we have the grape and the chives, we've got some peppers in, but that's child's play. So my wife said these serranos are hot little buggers. And then we're going to plant a poblano. And we'll do a habanero. And then a ghost. And then to top it off, let's plant a Carolina Reaper. I'm kind of disappointed I don't have any sweet Mad Hatters germinating yet. But we got high hopes. Well, let's go ahead with the hottest. I am going to go ahead and pinch these lower leaves off. That's our process. That'll allow it to go ahead and branch out. Look at this ghost pepper. I'm going to pinch these leaves off also. Just drop them in the mulch. What's that hot pepper show? We get to this one, we've made it all the way through. Now we're getting into child's play. Habanero. Although that's plenty hot. Snug that down. Just put a little mulch around them as we go. Speed it up a little bit. And I don't even know if you call a poblano hot or not. But I think we got these in a pretty good order. And then these serranos make really good cowboy candy. And as my wife says, they are hot little buggers. And again, let's pinch these lower leaves off. Now the clouds have parted and we got a little bit of sun. I'm gonna go ahead and water these in. It's still gonna rain hard tonight. One of the best ways to get it to not rain is to not water. I think it's all coincidence, but it's always good to water your plants. Okay, here's my plan. I've got sunchokes coming. They're gonna go in this corner. We've got sunflowers, which will be tall. We've got amaranth, which if they don't come up, I'll plant again, but they're gonna be tall. I've got okra, they're gonna be tall. So right here, let's go ahead and plant some cushaw melons, because they're gonna be large melons. What do you think? Right here's a good spot. Now I'm only gonna plant 3 hills. Now I'm not gonna try to trellis these this year. So let's just go like that and see what we get. Now I actually have 2 kinds. I've got a green striped and I've got an orange striped. I have no idea which one's gonna do the best. I like the orange striped a lot. So I'm gonna put 4 seeds in this hill. These other 2 hills, I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to do that with the orange. Now I'm pushing those down in there just a little bit. Get a little cover on top. Put a little bit of mulch back in there. I'll come back and give those just a little drink of water. We'll see what we get. Let's go ahead and get some turnips in. I think what we're gonna do is come off of this corn. We've got carrots there, we've got beets there, we've got radishes and beets and Swiss chard, carrots and lettuce. We still have a few really big patches that we need to put something in. I'm saving those for sweet potatoes. Let's get another row of turnips in. See if I can't dig this a little straighter. And just like everything, let's just move that mulch back down to bare soil. And I'm gonna go ahead and plant this very heavy. Just scatter your seeds on top, pat them down. This is good and moist. Good soil contact, and I know I keep saying that, but that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Just a light little bit of mulch. want to protect them from the wind. Keep them moist while they germinate. And that's all you have to do. It's simply that easy. And then you have turnips. And I didn't know that was one of my favorite foods out of the garden. And that is why we do it, because it tastes great. And you can do this too. And if you remember, that's exactly how I planted this batch of beets. And these are coming on really nice. Of course, our carrots, we use that carrot hack. We use that cardboard. But look how well they've come up. These are just thick in here. They don't have any of their true leaves on it yet, but it won't be very long. And as far as succession planting went, we did the same thing with the piece of cardboard right here while it was still really cold. For those of you in the northern states, you're in our prayers. I know you got a shot at cold, maybe a little snow though the next couple days, but hopefully that'll be it, and it'll be springtime in your area. It's pretty warm right now, and the forecast is for thunderstorms, rain up through the next couple days. Plants do really well when you plant them in the rain. And you can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Deep mulch in a flower bed. They're wonderful. I think we planted just in time. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.